Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still looking at this as an uptrend. I still think this is either going to go up to the 123, 138 for a running flat wave C, or possibly extend up to the 178, 161.8 for a running or an expanding flat wave C. Whether it turns out to be a running flat or an expanding flat isn't that important to know as of yet, because either scenario should lead to a big uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a wave 2. I think these 5 waves up is a wave 1 of 3. I think this is a big WXY, which I think is a 2 of 3. I personally still think on this higher time frame, on the weekly, it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and it's all going to be part of a wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of either an expanding or a running flat wave C. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely looks like an uptrend right here. As you can see, we are at the previous high of the wave X correction, which is WXY, which I think is a 1, WXY of 2. And like I said, I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. We may actually already have ended a wave 1 of 3. Maybe we're already going down for a 2 of 3, and it's going to eventually go up for the wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, especially looking at correlated dollar pairs, I actually do think this is a wave A. And even though this is a major higher high, I definitely think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. And I think this is a 1, 2, 3. I think it needs to make a 4 and a 5 of wave C. I'm definitely watching the 161, 178 as a likely area for this to end a running flat. Or if it goes down and takes out the lower wave A, then we're probably more likely watching the 261, 278 for an expanding flat wave C. Either way, definitely still primarily looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, just based on the shape that we have right here, it probably seems pretty likely that we are going to end this wave 1 today, or this wave 3. So wave 1, wave 2, this is a wave 3. I bet this is going to start making its way up, but I still think it's going to be a wave 4, and I still expect it to go down at least one more time for a wave 5. And if this is all wave C and we get a Fibonacci bounce, we get a break of structure, that's what's going to help prove to me that the wave C is over. But until we actually get this shape right here, I would definitely still be looking for shorts, especially on these shorter time frames. At least until like the 4 hour time frame shows us this 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure, which I think is likely probably not going to happen until Wednesday's CPI or Wednesday's federal fund rate news. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.